Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. So this is the third time I'm trying to film this video. Due to it being shadow season, I'm getting a lot of supernatural interference. Literally got someone behind the camera making sure the video's recording. It's so silly, but I'm so excited because it's the magical time of year. It's the witches month. The theme for this month, guys, is Hecate, keeper of keys, and as we walk into the sacred season of Samhain, we carry with us deep and sinking feelings of gratitude for the many lessons that we have already learned in just these passing months. We are prepared and proactive in searching for many answers and perceptions to questions that resonate within our current reality. During this time, we have been called to work with Hecate, inspired by and humbled by the wisdom that resides within her energies and vibrations. During a time of our deepest connections, we travel within the unveiled dark caves of past and present, upon the crossroads of decisions and unknown trials. In this very special and sacred collection, we work with the goddess Hecate, traveling to the depths within ourselves where she may shine light and guide us towards the wonderful world of dark half of the year. The magical items in this box are as follows. I'm so excited, guys. So this box is super neat, guys. It's got the goddess Hecate in it and everything is so divine. There's the triple moon goddess book of shadows artwork, guys. Super neat. I'm gonna have close-up shots for you guys to see, and it's super cool because she's the keeper of keys. There's this beautiful book of shadows artwork for your magical book, and I got the tarot card for this month too, guys. It's this renewal 27 card with this Native American on there. Super divine. There's this super neat spell candle, guys. It'll look amazing on your altar with all this vibe of Hecate for this month. There's this beautiful box that's just the showstopper of the whole thing, guys. It's super neat. It's a little box and you can have it on your altar to use to worship and use magic. It's the triple moon goddess and there's her all along the side of it. It's very beautiful depiction and it's super cool. It's got a little stamp down there of authenticity. Super magical. And there's this Crossroads bath salts, guys. I already gave it a smell. It smells very herbal and cleansing. Any stress and obstacles, it's gonna be melted away with these herbs. Super magical. There's this super neat little Hecate potion too, guys. It smells very herbal and you're gonna get all the cleansing vibes. It's very light too, which is faint, so it's nice to have a light faint scent and have your magic on you. One of my favorite things in here too, guys, besides the beautiful goddess artwork, is this little tumbled stone. It's a tourmaline tumbled stone, so it won't be shedding everywhere, and it's in a little purple sachet that's purple, one of the highest spiritual colors, so I feel like this is very divine and protective for the shadow season. And there's some herbs, guys. The Yerba Santa is really great to help you smudge, and it's just a neat, sweeter scent than sage, and it is in the sage family. And something super basic, that's dandelion root, guys. It's awesome to add to your practice. The simplest things add the most magic sometimes. And there's some poppy seed. I don't have this, guys, and it looks very cool to use for shadow season. I can't wait to use that. And one of the last things is this ritual incense. It's her of Torches and Lights ritual incense, guys. It smells very spicy, so it's going to burn away any darkness and help you along your shadow work. So this is super neat magical box, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section down below to visit their awesome moon market and let them know I sent you. Hello everyone, sorry for the low resolution. I just wanted to give a little quick story of how Goddess Hecate came into my life and an experience with her, but I did want to mention I didn't say this earlier because there was so much chaos happening, darkness and negative energies, and I was just talking to my mom and saying like that stuff totally messed with me, and if I heard my phone stop recording, I would have obviously, like checked it out, resumed it, but I didn't hear it, and when I said that, my this is like a necklace, but I wear it like a bracelet and I have it wrapped around me and it just snapped. And different little things happen, guys, so we're gonna get rid of the negative energy. It's super easy. You cleanse multiple layers, like I've told you guys on my YouTube channel. You can do the Tibet bowl, sacred music like mantras, holy water. You can use the elements, sage, so much more, prayers and magic, and calling upon the archangels of 5 directions, the guardians and guides. Super easy. It's easy to do. It's just annoying, little hindrances, obstacles. It would be great to do a Meetabuzz mantra right now, actually. But I did want to tell you guys it was neat. I gave my mom some stuff so she could offer the goddess Hecate because I acknowledge her, but I choose to work with goddess Nyx. But it's silly because I worship all the ascended masters, so she's one, so she's included. But you know what I mean, guys? So I gave my mom some stuff, and then later in my dream, because I kind of paid homage to her in a essence, she came into my dream and I cleaned my room, I vacuumed, everything was nice. So I was sleeping, but I could see like my room, how clean it was, and she said how clean your room is and like how clean the ground is. I'm doing that to you in your ethereal like sleeping state. So whatever, you go to sleep, there's chaos, there's God knows all our spiritual issues, past life issues, waking state in this realm issues, everything. She was helping me like get rid of stagnant, outdated trash that's, like in your computer, your phone, your trash that you put in your trash can. She was helping me clear that. So it was super neat. I felt it like a vacuum. I sensed her energy, sensed her in my dream, her as like a energy, not her as in a physical form, but just her energy, divine form. And just like a vacuum, I just felt her just sucking it all away, and I felt so relaxed and happy and woke up super early to where I could do my sutras and just like do so much, make myself breakfast, eat, take my medicine, like do so many cool things, guys, and make smudge sticks and go out to the pumpkin patch. Like I did so many things and was so productive that day. So I just wanted to tell you my neat little story with her. I recommend if you guys want to work with her, if you feel called to. And I just want to say with any ascended master, you want to show respect and give them, how do you say, you got to put in work and effort and show it. You can't be lazy, guys. A lot of people come to me and you guys are lazy. You have to put in work. There's steps in cooking, prep before, cleaning, cutting, cooking things for a certain amount of time, cooking the garlic first, sauteing vegetables, separating stuff, combining it. There's just so many layers you guys gotta do, and you gotta put in work and be sincere to get the best results. I know not the nicest things of her are said out there, but you guys have to put in results, do good, and there'll be no problems with any ascended master, guys. You just gotta be sincere, you gotta be devoted, and you cannot be lazy because everyone's lazy. You guys just can't be lazy. And when you're not, so many blessings and things will come your way. So I just wanted to give you my cute little story with her. Blessed be Goddess Hecate, the triple moon goddess. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you'll be notified for all of my future content. And like always, guys, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. May it be as above, so below, so mote it be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.